Child abuse, what an experience. 6.6 million children around the world experiences the epidemic of child abuse. 95 million have experienced it globally in Africa. Also, 120 million girls and young women under 20 years of age have suffered some form of forced sexual contact in Nigeria. While every year we record more than 4,035 rape, child abuse cases in Lagos alone. It's a terrible epidemic that children faces daily. To make a difference, we need to increase awareness of this issue itself. Child abuse is when the parent or caregiver, whether through actions or failing to act, causes injury, death, emotional harm, or risks of serious harm to a child. 11 years ago, I was living with my grandma at Abuja, where I was abused as a child. It happened the day when my grandma went to the market to get some provisions. I was left with a relative at home, who at that time took me out to get some drinks. As a little girl then, I thought he was buying with clear intention, not knowing it was more than that. When we got home, I was enjoying my drink while he was busy locking the door. I didn't understand what he was doing until he forced me on the bed and he tried forcing himself on me. I tried shouting, but he held my mouth. So with all the little power I had, I pushed him off me and I ran to the door, shouting and crying. He came to me and told me not to tell anyone what had happened, that if I did, he was going to beat me. Because of the threat, I didn't tell my grandma until the day when he wanted to try it again, but I ran out. That evening, I told my grandma and she told my parents. They were all angry at him. I decided they don't want him in the house anymore. To cut the story short, I was sexually harassed and almost abused to someone who I was supposed to trust and someone who was like a grandfather to me. Young people should learn the difference between good and bad touch very early. The sexual abuser often uses gentle and caring words while touching his victim. Many young children have problems to recognize what a bad touch is and where to draw the line. Young people should know that it is important and alright to say no to uncomfortable situations, and they should know that it is not cowardly to run away in such situations. How can young people avoid or handle abuses? You can talk to a trusted adult in person. You can talk to a trusted adult on phone. Also, you can talk to a trusted adult in school, like a school counselor or a school nurse. And together, let's join hands together and stop this epidemic. And thank you.